Exciting news is here. Major changes are on the horizon for your EBT card, and these developments are designed to assist low-income families efficiently. The government is reworking how food benefits are distributed, ensuring a smoother process. For those like Sarah, a single mother reliant on EBT for her grocery needs, the question looms, will she continue to receive food assistance under the new system? As we dive deeper, reports suggest that the traditional EBT card may soon be replaced by innovative options. Ideas range from direct grocery delivery services to monthly food vouchers, or even a digital system accessed via a mobile app. Imagine David, who currently uses an EBT card. Instead, he might receive a QR code on his smartphone, simplifying his grocery shopping experience. These changes aim to modernize food assistance and make it more accessible for everyone. Despite the uncertainty, it's essential to remain calm. Your benefits are safe and not disappearing. Keep an eye out for official communications regarding any modifications to the system. It's also crucial to be alert for scams, as the government will never solicit your EBT PIN through texts or emails. For instance, Maria received a fraudulent message prompting her to enter her EBT number to maintain her benefits. She wisely chose to ignore it and reported the scam. What are your thoughts on these upcoming transitions? Share your opinions below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates on food benefits.